A couple weeks back, I made this bag. The question I saw a lot of was, can you line it with something waterproof? So I was at the Dollar Tree tonight and I found this. I wonder if we could line the bag with a heavy duty shower curtain liner. Let's find out. Because I'm using a heavy duty shower curtain liner, I chose a thick upholstery fabric, but you could probably use something thinner if you got a thinner shower curtain liner. Cut both the fabric and the liner 14 inches by 13 inches. Then grab your zipper by the yard. You can find this in my Amazon store. It's life-changing. Just get it. Cut that zipper the length of the top of your bag, and you're going to open that tape up. Lay the tape pretty side to pretty side of your fabric. Make sure the teeth are at the center and the tape is at the raw edge of your bag. Slap that lining on top, make a nice little sandwich, and then pin it across the top and bottom. Now, if you feel comfortable using a zipper foot, that's great. If you don't, just use your regular foot and get as close to the teeth as you can. Sew down both of those edges, and then you're going to turn it right side out. The zipper tape should be enclosed now between the lining and the main. Go to your machine and top stitch down those edges so that it keeps the zipper tape from flipping up into your zipper. Put those pretty sides together and just clip it along the top for now. Time to box the corners. Cut a 1.5-inch square out of each of the bottom corners, and then open the bag back up and flip it the right way. Add your zipper pull. Take your time with this. Look for my tutorial if you need help. Now it's time to flip the bag around again. I know this is getting tedious. Just do your best. Work that fabric. Don't let it own you. Sew your side seams at a 1/2-inch seam allowance. Don't be afraid of sewing over those zipper tapes. It's totally fine. Now you can finish this a couple ways. You can use a zigzag stitch, pinking shears. Just do something to the seams so they don't fray. Now you just have to turn your bag right side out and it will be complete. Now listen, this is not waterproof. It is water resistant. Also, I realize there are actual fabrics for sewing bags with waterproof linings, but this was a cheap option from Dollar Tree and it worked. Like and follow for more sewing adventures.